Okay, just in case I forget, this overflow goes into this side. This overflow pushes on to, bloody hell, we've lost it. That side down there. This big fucker pushes onto that one there, and then we've still got our petrol feed there that we've got to take off. And that's what we found inside the carburettor. Possibly why it was running so erratic when I first bought it. Why I never used it. Let's carry on. I'd say that jet was definitely gunked up, wouldn't you? We've got the float off. I'm going to give the bowl a bit of a clean up with some petrol and get back to you. Okay, that's the valve clean, and that little thing that goes on the float, that works okay. It goes up and down. Used a bit of wire technique, clean the hole out. I'm just going to flush a little bit of petrol through that, clean it up a bit more, and I've just noticed there's still a little bit more shit in that bowl. That's going to need cleaning out a bit more. Not bad though, considering my shaky hand. So, that's the carb, all back together again, and fitted back on the outboard. I've just got to clean the petrol tank out, but I'm going to give that a flush through with petrol first, because I noticed a little bit of shit in there. Then we'll stick it on and fill it up with some petrol. It's got loads of oil in it, spark plug's good. Let's see if it a start. It'd be nice, wouldn't it? So, as long as the camera don't fall over. So, we're in neutral. Petrol's on. Going to give it full choke. And it's on start. So I reckon 2 or 3 pulls first just to get some petrol through. Oh, fucking hell. Slowly taking the choke off a bit. Pumping water okay. Considering this hasn't been started in what, probably 4 years. I'm happy with that. See if it'll run without choke. Happy, happy, happy. Okay, so we got the choke off. That is the best it's ever run. When I bought it, it wouldn't run like that. I tried digging out the old videos. Lovely little engine. Well happy with that. Don't know what year it is. But that's sweet as a nut. Oh, now I've just got to find the bloody puncture on this thing. But even if I can't find the puncture, I so want to pump it up and just take it out on the next high tide. And we found the leak. Right there. I think that might be the only leak, even though that back end goes down. I think maybe that back end can get through into this tube. But let's carry on checking, so we know that it's right there. That's where we got to put a patch. Okay, I've sprayed it all over with soapy water. The only leak I can find is that one that I found at the front. So although I should really order a proper repair kit, I've got CT1, which is marine waterproof adhesive. I'm going to try bodge. I'm going to pop back home. I've got a bit of paddling pool. I'm going to use that. Let the front half down, put it on, stick it, leave it 24 hours, pump it back up again, see if the whole thing stays up. If it does, happy days. And this is why you never chuck anything away. I kept this about 2.5, 3 years ago, part of a kid's paddling pool. But that'll make a repair patch. Lovely. Okay, there's my bodge. CT1 marine silicone spread over the hole. It literally was a little pinprick. 3 by 2 inches of that, and a clamp. I think we'll give it 24 hours. We'll have a look at it tomorrow. Trim up any bits that are not stuck down and pump it up and see if it stays up. Happy days. If that's the fix, pucker.